How to turn a professional account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rules and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off professional account on Instagram. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards profile at bottom right corner of the screen. And to turn off this professional dashboard from your profile feed, select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen to access settings and activity page. Scroll down. Now you need to locate the option for Creator Tools and Controls under For Professionals. And now tap Switch Account Type and you can switch to personal account or either business account. Tap Switch to personal account. And you need to come across your profile feed and check whether the professional dashboard is still there or not. So we have successfully turned off professional account on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.